Recently, I made over my old shed into a greenhouse. I wanted to tile the floor for ultimate fulfillment of all my greenhouse fantasies. The existing floor was a single layer of old, very beat up and slightly water damaged OSB, which stands for Oriented Strand Board. Having quite a pile of leftover OSB from removing the walls for windows, I added another layer of OSB to the existing floor, thinking this would be just fine to lay tile on. There was some play as the floor was stepped on, but I didn't really dwell on it until the tile was laid. Only then did I learn about uncoupling membrane. What is uncoupling membrane, you ask? Well, just what it sounds like. It uncouples or isolates the substrate, in this case the OSB, from the tile and allows the tile and substrate to move independently. I didn't anticipate that much movement, especially in such a small space, but just to be safe, I thought I'd mitigate any possible